Magkawumpa, try Sulu! 4, 3, 2,
This is one of the best triathlon course na na-experience ko with my 20 years of sports sa racing na ganito. To be honest, way better siya compared sa mga US and Europe triathlon races ko. Ang swim, incredible, wala akong masabi. Number one siya on my list sa best swim course in triathlon.
Yung sumisigaw yung mga student din, super nice nun kasi nakabuhay ng sa hospitality din po ng school na nag-organize. Thank you po. Pupunta kami po ulit.
Yung experience namin, sobrang ganda ng hospitality ng mga tao dito, at saka lalong-lalo na sa bike course at saka sa run course kasi ang daming nagsusupport yung mga bata, so nakakabuhay ng dugo, so nakakawala ng laspag. At saka sa bike naman kanina, ini-enjoy namin yung bike sa ganda ng overlooking, saka yung may mga white sun, so parang ini-enjoy lang namin yung ruta.
Very challenging sa akin sa part 2 kasi first time ko nag-attend ng first ever triathlon dito sa Sulu 2024. Open na talaga for tourism. No? Welcome na po lahat tayo.
First time in the history of the province of Sulu na nagkaroon po tayo dito ng isang triathlon event. And ito ay dinaluhan ng 150 athletes all over the Philippines. And the good thing about this triathlon, it is composed of both Muslims and Christians na mga brothers and sisters natin.
Ganda dito, grabe! Woo!
Itong ginawa nating triathlon race dito sa Sulu ay para makainganyo ng turismo dito, at the same time maibahagi natin sa buong Pilipinas na very safe na po ang Sulu. Kahit sino po pwede nang natutuwa yung mga lokal, nakita nila yung mga yung kung paano mag-race yung mga tao, yung mga sumali rito. At hopefully next year, with God's grace, masuportahan tayo ng LGU at masundan natin to.
Amazing. Beautiful.
Peaceful.
It is breathtaking.
Incredible.
Nag-race kami sa Sulo, sa Luok mismo. And then, during this, nag-triathlon kami. So, it's swim, bike, run. But super ganda siya. It was flat and very clear. Na while swimming, nakikita namin yung fishes sa ilalim. And for the bike, we got to experience yung ma-view namin yung buong Luok. So, during the bike route, it was very nice kasi surrounded talaga kami ng trees. And then the roads were very nice. Amazing.
So nakita namin yung Luok Sulu, kung gaano kaganda. Ang dami silang may offer na pwedeng puntahan. Kaya ini-invite ko yung mga kaibigan, mga athlete sa buong Pilipinas na puntahan natin yung Luok Sulu. Hindi kayo magsisisi sa ganda, lalo na yung sobrang napaka-accommodating ng mga tao. The best. Sulu is the best.
It is our first time to race here in Sulu and it was very nice. The beach, doon kami nag-swim sa Man's Beach. Very clear yung water, walang current. It was a fast course to swim. And then yung sa bike, napakaganda nung route kasi hindi siya sunny. Napakalilim, daming trees. Napaka-safe ng Luok Sulu. Magbalik-balik ulit.
Luok is one of the best places in the Philippines. It's like the beaches are so wonderful. We went to Siig Lake. That was this morning, and then we went swimming there. The lake is a paradise lake. Actually, is a wonderful place for you to go to. And then Mans Beach, another one, the venue of the Sulu Triathlon 2024 is also a place that everyone should visit. Actually, Luok, part of Sulu, is already a place that you have to put in your bucket list. Actually, you will not regret visiting Luok, I tell you. Because why? Because you will discover that Sulu is a wonderful, wonderful paradise island.